Assalamu alaikum. I am Zahid Farouk. Today I am going to tell you about 8 hacks of memorization boots up. It is often seems as I have forgotten some kind of information more than I have ever learned. But scientists say that the human brain is very active and it evolved till then the time that the man memorized different kind of things at each level of its age and different time of scenarios. As human, we have two type of memory. The first is short term memory and the second is long term memory. Every person have variation. It is short term memory and long term memory. The students are especially concerned about this type of memory. They often forget things in the memorizing of lessons and different topics in their academic career. I am telling you something that if you have dialed a number again and again on your mobile phone of your friend, a time will come that you normally will absorb the number and your memorization will be permanently stored in your brain. Same like the human brain is usually act on the memorization that we give input and the brain interpret that information in a very quick time that we are going to learn about this topic. Here are 8 ways to boost up memorization skill for the student. Number 1 is active prior knowledge. The meaning of active prior knowledge is the student who is seeking some kind of information in the relevant subject should have prior knowledge that is very important to boost up your memorization. It is also called that this is the step prime the pump of your memorization. Mean you are searching the information that is required at that time for you. So when you open a lesson with what do you know, you are preparing your brain to better store memory. The second is create interest and link it with your memorization. In this step, the theme is that you just create a very interesting scenario and try to relate it with your memory. This skill will boost up your memorization and would give you benefit when you will recall that information. This may fall under the obvious category, but studies show that the more interested we are in something, the more likely we are able to remember it. I would like to quote a example here. When you go on a supermarket and you have purchased something, you just recall your kitchen of your house and purchase something by locating different articles at your home. Same like the things are very important to boost up your memorization when you create some kind of interesting thing in your mind. The third is use visualization aids. This means when you are preparing your lesson, try to relate it with visualization aid. For example, if you preparing science subjects and a diagram is shown at each chapter, you should consider that diagram and then go to the actual topic. It will give you a better understanding and will be stored in your long-term memory. The fourth is write the information again and again. Usually it is considered a old age fashioned method, but the scientists and educationists say it is a very repetition task in which the student would have to write the things again and again, and consequently his brain would store all the things because he has written the things. And the human brain, eyes and hands are synchronized in a consistent rhythm. So every kind of information would be stored in a permanent section of your brain if you repeat the things again and again. The fifth is concentration. It means that which topic you are considering, you should give full focus and attention on that topic. The educationists say that the concentration is very important while you are remembering or memorizing something. The students who are multitasking or wandering here and there regarding their subject, they have no short memory at that time. One thing at a time is the main subject of this topic. Students who are distracted or multitasking are unlikely to remember the lesson. The sixth is summarize. Summarize means every topic which have studied by the student should read and write at main sides of the page, and then he should organize their studies in bullet form or as they want to show them at each and every time to memorize their lessons. It means whether it is something they have read or just had heard, summarize information in your own words will help to uncode and remember the information. The seventh is recall the information. Recall the information mean as you have heard or given the presentation, you should have the short and brief information in your memory so that you should think back to subject you gave, and chances are you remember a bit of content. It is a human psychology that what he delivered is situational, and when he think that this topic is important for him or her, the information goes in the brain in a very short and good array. And when he recall the things, his brain interpret that information with a short span of time. The ad is memory tricks. Memory tricks are usually based on different kind of techniques in which the things are recalled again and again, and different visualization aids and recordings are used, and different mathematical formula and poetry are often remembered again and again to show up the memory. The people who are new on my channel should subscribe and give their valuable comments and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.